The manufacturing business is probably the most challenging business that a person can get into, especially if he or she manufactures several products at the same time. Unlike the retail business or service business, for example, it has a lot of potential problem areas that should be resolved even at the start of the operation. Some of the issues a manufacturing has to deal with include the sourcing of the raw materials, training of the workers, and even controlling the inventory level. If you are looking for most profitable manufacturing business ideas, then we are sharing the list of 20 profitable manufacturing businesses you can start. Number 1. Artificial Intelligence Toys Manufacturing Business. Number 2. Concrete Block Manufacturing Business. Number 3. Soya Chunks Processing Business Idea. Number 4. Hospital Rubber Goods Consumable Business. Number 5. Naphthalene Ball Manufacturing Business. Number 6. Soy Sauce Production Business Idea. Number 7. Aluminum Door Window Manufacturing Business. Number 8. Vinegar Manufacturing Business Idea. Number 9. Spice Powder Making Business. Number 10. Conveyor Belt Manufacturing Business. Number 11. Detergent Powder Manufacturing Business. Number 12. Designer Lace Making Business Idea. Number 13. Customized Leather Bag Manufacturing Business. Number 14. Energy Drink Production Business. Number 15. Customized Paper Bag Making Business. Number 16. Condensed Milk Production Business Idea. Number 17. Handmade Paper Manufacturing Business. Number 18. Custard Powder Production Business. Number 19. Sugar Candy Manufacturing Business Idea. And number 20. Tomato Processing Business Idea. If you have any questions on starting a manufacturing business, then feel free to write your questions in comment box. Also, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel to get future videos. Press the notification bell to get future video updates. Thanks for watching this video.